Hey, in previous video I told you the best hair growth product for men. So if you are a man, then you can watch that video. Link is given in the description below and in the I button above, you can check it out. But if you are a woman and if you are suffering from hair loss or hair fall, then you are at the right place, because in this video we are going to review the advanced hair growth formula for women whose name is Locerin. Keep watching this video till the end, because I will tell you the benefits of Locerin, how to use it, and also I will tell you the ingredients used to prepare this formula. But before we do the review of this product, let me tell you what are the causes of hair loss. There are plenty of reasons which causes hair fall or hair loss. Some of them I have explained into this video. First reason is your poor balanced diet. Let me tell you guys, if you are not maintaining a proper diet, then you will surely face such a problems like hair fall or hair loss. Second reason is stress. If you face a lot of stress into your daily life, then the hair loss is a common disease. And the third and the last reason is hormonal problems. So these are the three main reasons which causes hair loss. Now let's do the review of Locerin. Friends, if your hairs are weak, if your hairs are not shiny, if you are facing a problem with hair styling, if you want to regenerate your hairs, or if you want to grow your hairs naturally, fastly and effectively, then don't worry, Locerin is a perfect choice for you. Locerin not only protects your hairs from hair loss, but it also supports the hair growth effectively. Locerin makes your hairs healthy and clear, and it also increases the strength of hair structure and hair color. Now question arises, why Locerin is so effective? Locerin is so effective because it is made up of 16 natural ingredients which helps you in faster and natural hair growth. The Locerin contains the extract of organic pea shoot, horsetail, nettle leaf, bamboo stem, alfalfa leaf, cayenne pepper and black pepper. This also contains methylsulfonine methane, vitamin C, niacin, biotin, zinc, magnesium, copper and selenium. These 7 ingredients are also called as the complex of vitamins and minerals. Now let me tell you what is the role of each ingredient in this product. First of all, we start with the extract of organic pea shoot, also known as the anagen. The anagen helps you to stimulate new hair growth, and it also prevents the hair loss. The second main ingredient is horsetail. The horsetail contains a natural silica which effectively grow your hairs and also the appearance of the skin and nails. The third main ingredient is copper, which helps in maintaining the normal pigmentation of our skin and hair. Not only this, but copper also supports our immune system naturally and also protects our DNA and protein against the oxidative stress. Now let's talk about the fourth main ingredient, whose name is alfalfa leaf. This leaf affects the external appearance and structure of our hairs. This also helps us to maintain the natural color of our hair. The fifth main ingredient is bamboo stem. The bamboo stem is nothing but it is the source of absorbable silica, without which our hairs and nails becomes brittle, fragile and susceptible to destruction. The sixth main ingredient is biopyrin. The biopyrin is an extract of high quality black pepper. It helps to absorb the beta carotene and selenium. The seventh main ingredient is nettle leaf, which is a natural source of absorbable vitamins and minerals. The nettle leaf helps in strengthening the hairs, skin and nails. The eighth main ingredient is a complex of vitamins and minerals, which nourishes our hairs effectively and also helps in keeping the hairs healthy. So friends, these are the main high quality ingredients which has been used to make Locerin. Friends, Locerin is made up of natural ingredients, hence it does not have any side effects and it is safe to use. Not only this guys, but if you are not satisfied with the effect of this product and if your hairs does not become significantly stronger and thicker, then you can contact the team of Locerin after the 90 days of use. Locerin is worth to buy because it is a high quality food supplement. It also gives you a money back guarantee, hence your purchase is a risk free. Now let me tell you how to use Locerin. Friends, Locerin contains 60 capsules in its one bottle. You have to take 2 capsules a day. Preferably 30 minutes before a meal, you can take 2 capsules with a 300 ml lukewarm water. Now it's time to answer your favorite question, that how much time does Locerin takes to produce its first effect? The answer is, you can expect its first effect after a few weeks of use. So friends, if you want to buy this product now and wants to get rid of hair loss as quick as possible, then I have given the link of this product below in the description tab of this video. You can directly go to the link and check out this product now. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Till then, take care and goodbye.